So this demo is to show you how you can create and collaborate on a Floorbook, a digital Floorbook, using the app Keynote. The app Keynote is like the Apple version of PowerPoint and has several slides that you can input information and data onto. So we're going to go ahead and open up Keynote, which is the blue icon with the white lectern. And in the middle at the top, we're going to press the plus button to start a new presentation, and we will start an outline. Then, just so I can see the slides a bit easier, I'm going to tap on the top left, the blue microwave shape, that's your menu button, and tap slide view. We want to just get rid of these boxes, so I'll tap on them and press delete. And I'm going to tap on the word presentation 50 at the top and then rename, and I'm going to rename it Elk Floorbook. If you want to add any more pages, the bottom left is a plus button, and if you scroll down it says blank and you can tap on blank, or you can use any of the templates that are there as well. Now we're going to get collaborating with other practitioners. So on the top right you tap on the share icon, and what we're going to do is, instead of send a copy at the top there, we're going to tap on it and tap on collaborate. From here I'm going to scroll along my icons and tap invite with link. If you don't see invite with link, you can tap on the more and tap at the bottom invite with link. From here you need to enter in the Apple IDs of the practitioners you would like to share this presentation with, and then tap share link at the bottom. If you want to find your Apple ID, you just need to go into settings, and then at the top left tap on your name or your initials, and you'll see on the right hand side you can see your Apple ID. It will always be at ea.scottborders.scut.uk if you're in Scottish Borders. So once you've collaborated on your document, you can start adding. So what we're going to do is we are going to insert some photos first. So on the top right, this icon here, if you tap on that, you've got lots of different options of things you can add. So you can add a photo. You can add videos. You can actually record some audio, so if you've got children that maybe want to add something, you want to capture the child's voice, you can tap on record audio and tap on the record button at the bottom to record what you're going to say, and then press stop, and on the top right tap insert, and you'll see that's moved, that you can move that where you need it to. Other things you can insert an image gallery, and that will allow you to insert multiple photos. So I'm going to choose photo, and I'm going to insert all these bean photos. If I tap add on the top right, and you can change the size of these using the small blue circles, tap and drag. And as this is a funny shape, it's made it fit. And if you tap these little grey circle arrow, it will allow you to go through all the different photographs. On tapping that icon at the top, the picture icon, you can also do a drawing. So you can make notes. And children could make on there themselves as well. On the top left, tap done. And you can also add some text. So if you tap the icon with the square with the circle behind it at the top and tap the word text, you can insert some text in here. You can then tap on that and move that to where you need it to be. And with all these different aspects, you'll see if I tap on the text, on the top right you can see a paintbrush, so that's your format button. And under the paintbrush you've got style at the top here, you've got the text tab, and you've got arrange tab. So you can play around with what text you want. You've got text color, text size, and where the orientation as well. Similarly, when you go onto the video, if you tap the paintbrush, it will come up with different options. It will have style on the left, movie in the middle, and arrange, how it's arranged as well on the right. And similarly with your photograph, also you can can tap on the top right and you can have the style. You can have a border, or you can have some preset options as well of what the image looks like. I would encourage you to also keep a paper floor book going alongside this that captures different things to this. Potentially, if you're having a discussion with the children, you can capture their voice on a big sheet of paper. And I would encourage you to actually take photos of the children engaging with that floor book, and potentially even taking photos of that floor book to put in this one. Equally, just having the two running alongside each other is also fine. What you can do from here as well now is you can export this. So you can export this entire slide as an image by tapping on the top left that says Elk Floorbook, and then tap on Export, and you can tap on Image, and it will ask you which the slide range, so you can choose just to do the first slide, or you can do all slides. I'm just going to do the first slide. And if we do Export and then Save Image, it will save it to your photo library. But you'll maybe have noticed that we've got videos and audio and also an image gallery there, so if you export it as an image, it won't capture those. So what you can do is export this whole slide as a video, and it will play through my video, then my audio, and then the different images on the image gallery as well. So we tap the title of the presentation, we go down to Export, and then tap on Movie. Again, we can indicate what slides we want to include, so I'm going to tap on All and just go to the first slide, go back to Movie Options, and then tap Export. That will also, we can save that to our photo app as well, and then insert that into Shobi to share with parents or in shared files. I hope this has been useful. I'd love to see your examples of your floor books. Ping me across some examples once they're done. Thanks for watching.